Hello, welcome back to my channel. In our today's lesson, we are going to see grade 9 chemistry textbook. The fifth unit lesson topic is about the physical states of matter. Okay, before directly entering into this concept of physical states of matter, we are going to define the term matter. When we say matter, matter is anything that has mass and which can occupy a space. So in this context, matter is everything around us can be considered as a matter. That means any substance that has a mass of its own and occupying its own space is considered to be a matter. This matter, it can exist in three common different forms. These are in the form of a gas, in the form of a liquid, and in the form of a solid. The simplest example is the water we use in our daily life. Now the three physical states of water are steam, the water which is found in the form of a gas, water in the water, the one which is found in the form of a liquid, and ice, water that is found in the form of a solid. Okay, the physical state of a given sample of matter depends on the temperature and pressure. Next, we are going to see about the gaseous status, and we are going to start with the concept of properties of a gases. From the kinetic molecular theory of gas, the following general properties of gas can be summarized. The first one is gases have no definite shape and definite volume. The next is gases can be easily compressed. We can easily compress the gas molecules. Gases have low densities compared with liquid and the solid. Another property of a gas is gases exert pressure in all directions, and also gases easily flow and diffuse through one another. The kinetic molecular theory of gases. Now let us see assumptions of the kinetic molecular theory of gases. The first one is the particles are in a state of constant, continuous, rapid, random motions and therefore possesses kinetic energy. The volume of the particle is negligible compared to the total volume of the gas. Gases are composed of separate, tiny, invisible particles called molecules. Since these molecules are so far apart, the total volume of the molecule is extremely small compared with the total volume of the gas. Another assumption of the kinetic molecular theory of gas is that the attractive force between the particles are considered to be negligible. That means there are no forces of attractions or repulsions between the gas particles. Another is the kinetic energy of the gas particles. It depends on the temperature of the gas. At any particular moment, the molecule in a gas have different velocities. kinetic energy is equals to half mv square, where m is mass and v is the velocity of the gas particles or the gas molecules. It is assumed that the average kinetic energy of the molecules is directly proportional to its absolute Kelvin temperature of that gas. Okay, dear student, in our today's lesson, we have defined what does it mean by the term matter. And we have said that matter is anything that has mass and which can occupy a space. Similarly, we have seen the three forms of a matter. Matter can be found in three common different states. These are in the form of the solid, in the form of the liquid, and in the form of the gas. And we have also considered some of the common properties of a gases. We have said that gases have no definite shape and a definite volume. Gases can be easily compressed. Gases have low densities compared with liquids and solids. Gases exert pressure in all directions. And the gases can flow and diffuse through one another randomly. And we have seen also some of the kinetic molecular theory of gases. Okay, dear students, in our next class we are going to see, or we will consider about the gas law. Until then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.